Ever imagine missing out on love because the other person struggles to express themselves? Well, worry not. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of romance and exploring 6 telltale signs that someone might just be head over heels for you. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. Number 1. They pay extra attention. Have you ever had that someone in your life who seems to hang on to every word you say? If they're paying extra attention to your every move, guess what? They might be falling for you. According to a study by Marcelina Hardy, people in love can't get enough of the details of your life. Number 2. They can't help but stare. You know those moments in romantic comedies where the main character can't take their eyes off their love interest? Well, it's not just in the movies. Psychologist Mark Hester suggests that if someone is constantly staring at you, they might be envisioning a future together. Even Harvard psychologist Zick Rubben found a link between deep love and maintaining eye contact, a whopping 75% of the time. Number 3. They remember the little things. Ever been pleasantly surprised by someone remembering a tiny detail you shared? That's a huge sign of love. Dr. Susanna Flores explains that someone falling for you will remember your birthday, favorite color, and other small details, using this information to create meaningful gestures in the future. Number 4. They drop their usual activities. Has someone rearranged their schedule just to spend more time with you? Well, psychologist Meline Mason-Rentree suggests that if someone enjoys your company, their brain's reward system increases the motivation to be around you, even if it means sacrificing other activities. Number 5. They show empathy in good and bad times. Ever feel like someone is more emotionally connected to you lately? That's a sign. Constantly empathizing with you can be a telltale indication that they're falling in love. Dr. Flores emphasizes that when someone cares about your happiness and pain, it's a clear display of love and support. Number 6. They tell everyone about you. Do you have someone in your life who's constantly singing your praises to friends and family? Well, guess what? They might be head over heels for you. Kane Rosenberg, founder of the Lodge Social Club, notes that introducing you to their inner social circle shows a strong desire to become emotionally closer to you. And there you have it, 6 exhilarating signs that someone might just be falling in love with you. Can you relate to any of them? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, these signs aren't definitive, as everyone is unique. If you spot these signs in someone around you, consider bringing up the topic and exploring the wider context. If you've been wondering about that special someone, recognizing these signs might just give you the nudge to start a meaningful conversation. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Until next time, love and positivity to all.